Welcome to your daily cosmic weather forecast. My name's Adeana. I'm an intuitive astrologer. Let's get into the energy for February 16th, 2026. So we are one day away from the solar eclipse that we are having. Well, actually a few hours away from the solar eclipse we're having in Aquarius at almost 29 degrees, the anaretic degree point that symbolizes major endings and completions. Now, before the moon reaches the sun, the moon is going to form a conjunction to Mars today. So we do want to be careful of reacting, responding, and taking action based on emotions, based on how we are feeling in the moment. We also have the sun forming a square already to Uranus. And so the solar eclipse tomorrow is going to be square Uranus. We can start to feel very anxious at this time. So take care of your energy, do whatever it is that you need to do to ground, drink a lot of water, eat a lot of rooted vegetables or fresh fruit, get your feet on the earth if you can, if possible, if you don't live somewhere where there is snow. Today, we also have Mercury forming a trine to Jupiter retrograde. Now, Mercury is already in pre-shadow, meaning that Mercury is already moving over the degree points that Mercury is going to retrograde back over. So we want to pay attention to what is showing up today around important conversations, important documents, important information, because you will be revisiting this over the next month and a half during the retrograde cycle. Mercury is going to connect to Jupiter 2 more times through retrograde and then through the post-shadow phase. So whatever important is coming up today, maybe you hear of some important opportunity or support of some kind, because it's a trine. It's a very easy flowing, positive, supportive energy. This is not where that support or change actually takes place today, but this is where it begins. So just be aware throughout the day. What is showing up in your world? What are you hearing about? What important conversations are you having? All right, everyone. Well, we are almost at the solar eclipse in Aquarius. And if you want to take a deep dive into the solar eclipse energy, click the link in my bio. I go over the chart for the solar eclipse, and I also get into all 12 rising signs, so you get an idea of how this energy is showing up for you personally. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will connect with you in the next one.